everyone. Welcome back. We're talking today about the magic of compounding interest and the rule of 72, both of which can drastically uplift your savings strategy. Think of compounding interest like this. Imagine you plant a tree in your backyard. At first, it's small, but over time, it grows and it starts to bear fruit. Now, if you plant the seeds from those fruits, pretty soon you're going to have an orchard, each tree bearing even more fruit. Your money actually behaves similarly when we think about compounding interest. So here's a simple illustration. Let's say you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate. By the end of year one, you will have earned $50 in interest. So that would make your balance $1,050. Now, next year, you earn 5% on not just your initial investment of $1,000, but on the total of $1,050. So as the years go by, your money's growing faster and faster because it's earning interest on a larger and larger base. Now that's the beauty of compounding, but let's throw in another fascinating aspect, and that is the rule of 72. It's a method to estimate how long it will take your money to double. So if you simply divide 72 by your annual interest rate, so just to make things easy, we'll use 7.2. It would take 10 years for your investment to double. The beauty of understanding compounding interest and the rule of 72 is recognizing the power of your investments. When you start early in particular, even if it's just a modest amount, thanks to compounding, your small seeds can continue to turn into that beautiful orchard over time. So as part of our Watch Her Thrive Financial Empowerment Series in honor of Domestic Violence Awareness Month, our aim is to equip you with the tools and insights you need for financial growth. Grasping the concept of compounding interest is a foundational piece when it comes to managing your money. So if you have not yet tapped in the power of compounding interest, and you're not paying attention to how quickly it takes your money to double in your own financial journey, consider starting today. Small steps can pave the way to impressive results over time. Thanks for joining us. And remember, subscribe to the channel and share this video with somebody who could use it. Every stride toward financial literacy is a step closer to empowerment.